Hey creators, are you struggling to keep up with the constant demand for fresh content? What if I told you that you can transform your existing content into multiple formats effortlessly? With the power of AI, repurposing content has never been easier. And in today's video, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide to repurpose your existing long video to multiple short content pieces. Let's dive in. Repurposing content is all about working smarter, not harder. By using AI, you can turn a single piece of video content into blogs, videos, social media posts, and more, all while saving time and resources. Now let's get started with the first step, analyzing your content. Start by identifying your best performing content. If you run a YouTube channel, then look for the most popular videos on your channel. These are perfect candidates for repurposing. If not, then just look for an evergreen topic of your industry and within your videos. Next, choose an AI tool that fits your content repurposing needs. For this demo, we are using quso.ai to create all our content from one long-form video. Once you've selected your video, it's time to let the magic happen. Just simply upload your long-form video or paste the link and let the AI do its magic. See, it has generated multiple short clips, perfectly edited, captioned, and with a virality score to give you better results when you publish them online. Best part, you can tailor your short clips for different platforms. For instance, keep TikTok videos under 60 seconds. Create vertical formats for Instagram Reels. While it generated multiple short clips, it's not limited to just video clipping. You can also use quso.ai to generate over 10 types of written content from one long video. See, you want to create podcast show notes, just click here and copy the written content. But what if you want to create a LinkedIn-based text post? Just click here. Want to post a thread on X or Instagram threads? Just click here and there you have it. You have a blog but don't have time to create one from your video. Then just click here. We also made a detailed video about this, and so you can go ahead and watch that as well. Similar to the above, you can also create quotes, LinkedIn article, newsletter content, or even ad copy content from just one single video. And that's it. By leveraging quso.ai, you can repurpose your content quickly and effectively while reaching new audiences across multiple platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your video strategy. See you in the next video.